This is the brand new HOTO AutoCare air duster and vacuum. It comes with 5 different attachments and 1 dust cup, and the main body works both ways. One end vacuums, the other blows air. It also has a detachable dust cup that's easy to clean, plus a safety lock to prevent it from opening by accident. Just line it up with the indicator to install the cup. The power button turns the device on and off and lets you switch gears, and there's also a boost button for extra power. You can attach the accessories either through the dust cup on the vacuum side or directly to the blowing end for air blowing tasks. The pointed crevice nozzle is perfect for those hard-to-reach spots like between car seats and air vents. The 2-in-1 grooming brush combines a patented rubber scraper with a sawtooth brush, great for picking up pet hair and long strands from sofas and car seats. The dust cup nozzle can handle bigger messes, such as dust on floor mats and in trunk spaces. The subtle air nozzle handles both vacuuming and blowing. It also works for inflating and deflating. And the swim ring nozzle made for inflating pool toys and swim rings with ease. It charges via USB-C and comes with a storage pouch to help you keep things neat and tidy.